Hello everyone, my name is Shyam Chauhan and today we are going to cover one small topic, that is co-prime numbers. Or we can say relatively prime. Co-prime numbers are those numbers which have only one as common factor. Let's say, for example, if I take 8 and 9, prime factorization of 8 is 1 into 2 into 2, and we have prime factorization of 9, that is 1 into 3 into 3. We have factors of 8, that is 1 and 2, and factors of 9 are 1 and 3. If we see common factors, are only 1. If we see the example, these are not the prime numbers, but still they are relatively prime. So for co-prime numbers, it is not necessary to have both the numbers as prime number. If I take the example of prime and non-prime, 7 and 9, then we have prime factorization of 7 is 1 into 7, and prime factorization of 9 is 1 into 3 into 3. Then we have factors of 7 is 1 and 7, factors of 9 is 1 and 3, and we have common factors, that is only 1 as a common factor. 3 and 7 are not common factors. If I take the example, so we can say 7 and 9 are co-prime numbers. If I take one more example, that is 8 and 16, then we have prime factorization of 8 is 1 into 2 into 2 into 2, and for 16, 1 into 2 into 2 into 2. Then we have factors of 8 are 1 and 2, factors of 16 are 1 and 2, and if we see common factor, we have two common factor, that is 1 and 2. So we can say 8 and 16 are not co-prime numbers. So if I conclude, that is for 8 and 9, 7 and 11, and 8 and 16. Then 8 and 9 are coprime numbers. 7 and 11 is also coprime, but 8 and 16 is not coprime because we have factors, common factors. Common factor of 8 and 9 is 1. Common factor of 7 and 11 is also 1, but common factor of 8 and 16 is 1 and 2. Next lecture we will see theorem 1.3, that is root 2 is irrational. Thank you.